Tasty. Oh, that's hot. What's up, foodies? Today we are going to make jalapeno popper grilled cheese. So let's get into it. Alright, foodies. First, we're going to start by adding 380 grams of cream cheese to a bowl. Then realizing the bowl you selected was too small for the cream cheese, and this is never going to work. So let's go get a bigger bowl. There we go, that's better. Now back to the recipe, let's go ahead and add 50 grams of cheddar cheese. I prefer old, but use whatever kind you like. And 50 grams of Irish cheddar, because you know, why not? I'm feeling a bit Irish today. Now let's go ahead and chop up 50 grams of pickled jalapenos. Now you can use fresh jalapenos here, but I find the acid from the pickle juice helps cut the richness of the sour cream. Now if you really like spice, you can double the amount of jalapenos you're adding to this. Let's chop 3 stalks of green onion. Then we're going to chop up a fistful of parsley, flat leaf of course, and then add that to the bowl. Now let's add in 60 grams of crumbled bacon. And of course, let's not forget to put in the black pepper. A few twists should do. I'm not going to add any salt yet because the bacon's salty and the jalapeno juice is salty, but you can test it later and then add the salt as needed. So the best way to mix this is not with a spoon, is with a mixer, a stand mixer, but you could also do it by hand, which I'm going to do today. You just want to mix it till everything's evenly combined. It will be a bit stiff, think of it like a cream cheese for a bagel. Now if you do find this too thick to your liking, you can cut with a bit of sour cream to help, loosen it up a bit. Now let's grab 4 slices of bread and grab some butter and let's butter each slice. Realizing that your butter is hard as a rock because you forgot to take it out of the fridge before you did this video, so we're just going to melt it down and brush it onto the bread. See? Improvising. Nothing goes perfectly in the kitchen. Alright, butter is melted. Let's grab a little pastry brush and brush it on. Get it nice and even all over the bread, because you want nice crispy crunchy pieces all over. Now let's get our frying pan onto a burner and set it to medium heat. You don't want it too high because you don't want the bread to burn before the inside's melted. So let's go ahead and place 2 slices of bread on the pan, butter side down of course. Now let's go ahead and add a couple scoops of our filling to each bread slice. It will be a bit stiff, but push it down and spread it out as best you can. Let's go ahead and put our other 2 slices of bread on top of the filling. Now we're going to cook this on each side for about 3 to 5 minutes until each side is golden brown. Alright, it's time to flip these. Just be careful, grabbing the top and turning it over. Now we'll let these cook for another couple of minutes just to get golden on the bottom side, and then we'll place them into a 400-degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes until the inside is melted. Alright, 10 minutes in the oven and these guys are done. Let's cut them up and give them a try. Whew, these smell good. Crispy, delicious. Oh yeah. That sounds good. Let's give it a little try here. Oh, hot. That's really good. Molten hot, like lava, but really tasty. And until next time, foodie. Oh, hold on. Let's get one more bite. Foodie out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, or as others would say, smash the like button. If you want more exclusive content like behind the scenes, recipes, and much more, check out my Patreon. The link is in the description box below.